Hey, this is Mike with Mackin Sons Plumbing. We're taking a look at this Aquasana whole house water filter system today, and I just want to show some of the features of how we install them. One of the things that we do that really sets our installation apart is we set it on this 2x6 board, because when you start to unscrew these filters when the time comes, if these little brackets are not very secure to the wall, you're going to twist this piping in here and it's going to cause leaks. So we set it up real sturdy, and then we also have a bypass system. If you ever need to change these filters, which you do, it's just shutting off two valves and then you bypass the system. That way water to the home is not interrupted while you change these filters.